I never cherry pick which 2-minute EWO I get in, even if it doesn't look good. So even if, let's say it just starts to come down and it's green or vice versa, right? It's hanging out by VWAP, as you already know it's dangerous, right? We already know it's dangerous. I will still enter it. Let's say this was closer to VWAP and it showed me a color change, but it was underneath it. Isn't that more dangerous? It's a call underneath VWAP. Isn't that more dangerous?
Yes.
I still enter it though, because if this breaks, I don't want to have missed it because I thought I was going to be smarter than this system. So what I will do is I will still enter this call, okay, even if it looks like it's in a bad situation, but I will have a tighter stop because I know if it stays down here, I don't need to risk 25 to 40%, do I? And the beauty of it is, trust me, it will tell you right away. This will end up flipping to the red side anyways if it sits down underneath VWAP, right? But I will still make that move. I don't ever go, oh, well, it's 2-minute, but I don't like where it's at. 2-minute, I'm on it. 2-minute, I'm on it. 2-minute, I'm on it. 2-minute, I'm on it, right? Because what will happen is one of those is going to... Right?
Right.
But the reason, here's the reason we don't. If you're like, oh, well, I'm smarter than that. It's way up here. I don't want to do it. And it does all this. And then it does that. And you're like, damn.
Right. Oh, yeah.
Damn it. Because here's the thing.
Situation.
Here's the thing that's nice with this one. And you're like, oh, well, it chewed me up. Well, it really didn't. Because if you entered here, okay, we'll just say anywhere in here. I have no idea because it's this candle. Anywhere in this thing. Well, you're like, oh, it's coming back. Well, look, it flipped color. It's above VWAP. You're in a put. You know it's now telling you to get a call. Everything says get out, right?
Got it. Yes.
That one is an inexpensive saying, walk away, man, because now you should be in a call. You're above VWAP. This one didn't do anything. It's not below down here. It's not going the way you want. Bail out, get in this one, and now you just made 3 times the amount of money that this one had, that you might have took the hit on that.
Right. Okay. Makes sense.
Boom.
Thank you.